A new engine has arrived on the island. His name is Neville. You must all make him feel welcome. A happy engine is a useful engine.
The bridge ahead is unsafe. Thomas, you are to collect a piece of ironwork so the bridge can be repaired. Yes, sir.
Nearly there. Nearly there.
Buttsquat!
Watch where you're going, clumsy wheels. It's not our fault you're a silly steamy.
That must be the new engine. He must be friends with the diesels.
Have you seen the new engine yet?
Yes. But we'd better be careful. I saw him at the yards with Arry and Bert. They were laughing together.
What?
Have you heard about the new engine?
That new steamy Neville is best friends with the diesels. He doesn't want to be with steamies at all.
How do you know?
James told me and Thomas told him.
Don't go near Neville, the new engine. The diesels have told them to biff into steamies.
Holy shamoly! Who told you about that?
Edward told me. James told Edward, and they all heard it from Thomas.